Hello guys, welcome to NXPTO new video. And in this video I'm gonna give you an update on the price of Bitcoin. So today is Monday. Welcome to another weekly candle close, and we can see that Bitcoin was able to close well above our 59,000 level. Last week, or the week that just closed, we mentioned that we were expecting a follow through, and this is what Bitcoin did. And we can see that Bitcoin was able to reach as high as $72,000. So we couldn't actually push toward the middle of our channel or toward the 77,000 level, but we saw that Bitcoin was able to push and move upward as we were predicting. So this weekly candle close, we can see the Bitcoin was not able to push and close above the 72,000. We know that closing a candle above the previous candle close or around this area, around the 72,000, would be basically a new all-time high in terms of candle close, because we can see that no candle has closed above this level, which if you look back you can see that on the previous cycle the only close we had was 69,000. So with a full body close is the 69,000. So Bitcoin made a new all-time high in terms of candle close, not the wicks. So that's why it's so important for us to keep closing candles above the 72,000 level in order to retest the previous all-time high. This is not a concern to me, and we can see the DXY still consolidating. In this case, we can see that this week also closed with a candle that is not as bullish, but and is showing that there's still weakness on the DXY. What we want to know is that if Bitcoin is going to continue to push and the DXY or react the same way it's been reacting every time Bitcoin put a green candle to the upside. This is part also of the decisive move that we've been discussing. So far we have 2 weeks in the green to the upside after this candle, comparing this candle to this candle and to this candle, and we can confirm that the follow through happened and the decisive move came, and we expect Bitcoin to continue to push to the upside to finally take out the mid of this channel and the 77,000 level. DXY and Bitcoin ratio, we can see that the ratio is of course already on the golden or yellow box. The only concern that remains is that the RSI on the DXY Bitcoin ratio is still not below the 30 level. We can see that the RSI is currently at 30, a little bit above the 30, so 30.62, very close to returning below the 30 level, which is good. So that's why this week we should expect Bitcoin to push a little bit further above the 60, the 70, 60, above this level. So the 68,000, 69,000, push it a little bit above so that the other side can actually come and return below the 30 level. Bitcoin dominance, we can see that the Bitcoin is losing dominance. It got retested the middle of this channel one more time and got rejected. And so far it seems like we close below this Fibonacci level, the 0.382 level, or below the 53.98 level. It seems like it closed below it, and for that reason you can see that the other side is fast approaching the 50 level, which could represent weakness on the Bitcoin dominance, which means altcoin could be on the verge of having a positive move if Bitcoin dominance lose momentum when the other side finally crossed the 50 level to the downside. Fear and greed index, we are battling with the 74 as we were discussing. The fear and greed index was able to tap into break this level. We pushed a little bit above this the 74, reaching 76, which is not bad. It shows that the market sentiment is trying to push forward. Now this is something that we need to follow to see if fear and greed index can push a little bit more above the 74 level. That's the update for today, guys. We have another weekly candle close, a positive close above our 59,000 level, and what we want to see if Bitcoin is going to be able to consolidate and push toward our 77,000 level and finally break it and hold it as support. This is something we do need to follow, and we want this RSI on the Bitcoin DXY Bitcoin ratio to return below the 30 level. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on Monday, next Monday in this case. Thank you very much.